Very good morning, my dear students. In this unit, we will discuss the topic hydrocarbon. So, we will study the classification, preparation, and the chemical properties of hydrocarbon. The first, we will see classification. Hydrocarbon is divided into two types: aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon or arene. Aromatic hydrocarbon unsaturated. So, best example benzene. And then aliphatic hydrocarbon, again it's divided into two types: acyclic and cyclic. So, alkane, alkene, alkyne, ethane, ethene, ethane are acyclic, and the same hydrocarbon in cyclic, cyclic alkane, cycloalkane and cycloalkyne. Cycloalkane and alkane both are saturated. So, alkene, alkyne, cycloalkene, cycloalkyne are unsaturated. So, saturated, unsaturated, what is the difference? The saturated has single bond, unsaturated double bond or triple bond are present. So, alkene, alkyne are triple bonds, alkane single bond. So, next we move to the preparation of alkane. Preparation of alkane. Alkane means single bond saturated. Hydrogenation, decarboxylation and the Goltz electrolytic method. So, these are the methods used for preparing alkane. The first we will see hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means what? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Here the reactant is propene. Propene. The hydrogen is added. The presence of platinum catalyzed. So, what is a product? So, propene has one double bond. It is alkene, right? So, the double bond is cleaved as a single bond. So, the each carbon, CH carbon and the CH2 carbon take one hydrogen. So, CH3 and the CH2, then CH3. CH carbon take one hydrogen, CH2 carbon take one hydrogen, right? That's why we can get CH2, CH3, propane. It is alkane, right? Next, decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means what? When a mixture of sodium, salt of carboxylic acid and soda lime, right, are heated, alkane is formed. The alkane formed has one carbon atom less than carboxylic acid. This process of eliminating carboxylic acid group, carboxylic group, right? This is known as decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carboxylic group. So, on the reactant side, sodium acetate we have to take, formula CH3COO and the presence of soda lime. Soda lime means sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So, actually the box is shows that sodium carbonate is removed. So, in the sodium carbonate, carboxylic group is removed. So, Na2CO3. So, remaining CH3 and one hydrogen CH4. The product is methane. It's alkane. Next, Goltz electrolytic method. So, Goltz electrolytic method means when sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is electrolyzed, the higher alkane is formed. Actually, sodium acetate 2 moles we have to take, react with 2 moles of water. So what is the product? The decomposition occurs. So 2 CH3 converted into ethane, CH3 bond CH3, and here 2 moles of CO2 comes from here, and the 2 moles of Na takes 2 moles of OH minus from water. So 2 NaOH, right? So remaining the 2 hydrogen released as a gas, right? Here the electrolytic method means at the anode side ethane and carbon dioxide are released, and the cathode side sodium hydroxide as well as hydrogen gas are released. So next preparation by reduction with Nassen hydrogen and Woods reaction, then Corey-House mechanism, and the preparation of alkanes from Grignard reagents. So one by one we will see. By reduction with the Nassen hydrogen. Here, except alkyl fluoride, other alkyl halide converted into alkane by reduction with Nassen hydrogen. So hydrogen for reduction may be obtained by using any of the following reducing agent, maybe zinc hydrogen chloride or zinc acetic acid or zinc copper coupled in ethanol and lithium aluminum hydride. So any reducing agent we can use it. Actually the Nassen hydrogen take the chlorine, HCl is formed, right? And when the metal react with the hydrochloric acid, it releases hydrogen. The hydrogen is balanced with the last carbon. So CH2 turn to CH3. So product is propane. Next, Woods reaction. Woods reaction we see. Woods reaction means when the solution of haloalkane in dry ether is treated with the sodium metal, higher alkanes are produced. This reaction is used to prepare the higher alkane with the even number of carbon atom. Here 1 moles of methyl bromide react with 2 moles of sodium metal and again 1 moles of methyl bromide. So totally 2 moles of methyl bromide. So actually it is rounded up. 2 moles of sodium bromide is released, right? So remaining we see CH3 bonded with CH3 ethane. This is called a Woods reaction. So next one, Corey-House mechanism. Corey-House mechanism, when alkyl halide CH3CH2Br, the alkyl halide name is ethyl bromide. Generally alkyl halide name is ethyl bromide. So react with lithium dialkyl cuprate. So lithium dialkyl, alkyl what is a dimethyl, lithium dimethyl cuprate. So what is a product? Propane is a product and methyl cuprate is a product and lithium bromide is a product. Actually what will happen? The lithium takes a bromine, lithium bromide is converted, then copper cuprate, it comes from the methyl bonded with the copper, so methyl cuprate, and the remaining one CH3 is directly bonded with the CH3 CH2 ethyl. So we can get the propane and the methyl cuprate and lithium bromide. Then preparation of alkane from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagents we have known very well. CH3MgCl, methyl magnesium chloride act as a Grignard reagents. The haloalkane. So how can we get the Grignard reagent? The haloalkane react with the magnesium in the presence of dry ether to give alkyl magnesium halide, which is known as a Grignard reagent. Here the Grignard reagents undergo hydrolysis. From water, the methyl take one hydrogen, so we can get a CH4. So remaining OH is bonded with the Mg. So MgOHCl. So here the product is methane. Next, chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of alkane. The first one, combustion. We will see. The combustion reaction is a chemical reaction between the substance and the oxygen with the evolution of heat and light. Right? So in the presence of sufficient oxygen, alkanes undergoes combustion when ignited and produce carbon dioxide and water. So methane on combustion gives carbon dioxide and water. So delta H standard value minus 890.4 kilojoule. Right? And the next, so methane on combustion, when methane burn in insufficient supply of oxygen, they form the presence of the catalyst and the absence of the catalyst. So what is a product? So 2 moles of carbon monoxide and 4 moles of water, and another 1 mole of carbon and 2 moles of water. Right? Next, aromatization. Aromatization. So aromatic compound we have to prepare it. The alkane here, what alkane is given? Hexane is given, 6 carbon, right? The alkane with the 6 to 10 carbon atoms are converted into homologues of benzene at high temperature and in the presence of catalyst. This process is known as aromatization, right? It occurs by simultaneous cyclization. It occurs by simultaneous cyclization followed by dehydrogenation of alkanes, right? So here what type of catalyst we have to use? Chromic oxide and aluminum oxide at 873 Kelvin. So next, halogenation. Halogenation. Here methane react with the chlorine in the presence of light. So what are the reactions are coming? We see methane react with the chlorine in the presence of the light. The first, the byproduct is a hydrochloric acid, HCl. So the each step HCl is removed, right? So remaining we see 1 hydrogen, 1 Cl is taken. So remaining CH3Cl. CH3Cl means what? Methyl chloride. So the second step, again we write the methyl chloride, react with the chlorine, the presence of light. Again 1 HCl is removed. So remaining CH2Cl2, methylene chloride, right? The third step, the methylene chloride again write as a reactant and react with the chlorine. It gives CHCl3 chloroform with HCl. Then the chloroform again react with the chlorine. It gives us CCl4 carbon tetrachloride and HCl. Right? So next reaction, pyrolysis. Pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means is defined as a thermal decomposition of organic compound into smaller fragment in the absence of air through the application of heat. So pyro means fire, lysis means separating. So pyrolysis of alkane, also named as cracking, right? So in the absence of air, when alkane vapors are passed through the red hot metal, it breaks down into simpler hydrocarbon, right? So here methane is one of the product. In the reactant side we see 2 moles of propane is taken at 773 Kelvin is converted into propene, ethene and hydrogen gas and methane. Suppose we have to, if you have to take 2 moles of ethane at 773 Kelvin means ethene and 2 moles of methane is a product. The higher alkane turns to lower number of hydrocarbon. Then the last one, isomerization. Isomerization is a chemical process by which a compound is transformed into any its isomeric forms, right? Here aluminum chloride and hydrochloric acid at 298 Kelvin we used. So butane stand to 2-methyl propane, right? So both are reactant and product, both are isomers. The reaction name is isomerization. Thank you.